a bike lover. And if you are, you would know each bike needs care. Worried about time to time doorstep servicing? We at Excellent Bike Service, a Bangalore-based bike servicing company, is now there at your rescue. We bring you affordable and transparent pricing, 10 days service guaranteed, genuine spare parts, trained and vaccinated experts, time preference, which makes us dependable for our customers. We provide brake service, spark plug cleaning, electrical checkup, engine oil check, oil leakage check, air filter cleaning, dry wash, sanitation, etc. With all the above services, we even bring you doorstep delivery. So what are you waiting for? Hurry up and contact us today. Visit us at www.excellentbikeservice.com. Download the app now.